Hi, hello everybody. Today in Real Estate Medellin, we are not going to look at a property. We're going to talk about legalities to buy a property in Medellin and a whole bunch of the questions that you guys have been asking me over the last 10 years that I've been working with real estate in Medellin. So let's get started, okay? The first question, can foreigners buy real estate in Medellin or in Colombia in general? The short answer, yes. Now, there's a whole bunch of other stuff that I have to tell you about it, but yeah, you can buy a property here. You don't have to be a citizenship. You don't need a visa. You don't need a residency. You don't need a cedula. All you need is your passport from your place of origin. That is it. That's actually makes it very, very easy. Okay. Now, one thing that you must know is that the funds have to be registered with Banco de la República. That's with the emissary here. So that's one thing that we have to do. The reason why we have to do that is we do that with actually. Let me tell you something. We do that with either there's three institutions that do that for us: Alianza Fiduciaria, Corte Financiera, Acciones y Valores. They all have the same fees. They all have the same requirements. Now, regarding requirements, the requirements can change a little bit depending if the bank so compliance. The compliance office might ask you for more paperwork. Why? Now, it's very important that all the money that we bring into the country's got paper trail. Okay, either from stocks that you sold, your house, your parents gave you money, whatever. But they all have to come from your account. You cannot have money coming in from different accounts. They all have to go into your account, and from your account goes into the fiduciary of your choice. Now, but that's actually really good though. Now, side note on that, fiduciaries act like an escrow. No, we do not have escrow services in Colombia. Okay, that's just one thing, so you know. Okay, now the process is very safe if you do it right. I'll put a full guide below so you can download it. So it's actually pretty good though. Okay, so let's recap. Okay, now, can foreigners? Yes, you can buy property here, not a problem. So we have no problem. It's 100% legal to do, which is actually really good. You don't require a visa to buy the property. You only need your passport, and that property is going now. Regarding the property for visa purposes, yes, it applies to it though. It's got some. I do believe it's about a 450 million the price of the property that you have to buy in order to access your visa. We'll talk about that in depth a little bit later on though. And it's a great opportunity. Now, why is it a great opportunity to buy real estate in Medellin? We're from Medellin, so we sell in Medellin. Well, prices are stupidly low compared to the States and Canada or Europe. Taxes are very low. That's actually pretty good though. Now, one thing that I like you to know is that property value here in Colombia never goes down. Steady slope up. We had a little bit of a steep slope because of COVID, but markets have already corrected themselves. That's basic Peter Lynch, basic Warren Buffett, markets to correct themselves. So that's actually pretty cool now. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Write in the comments. If you guys want to have a one-on-one talk with me, let me know. Write in the comments, and we'll be able to help you. A couple other things that are very important when you buy a property here in Medellin. It's very simple. Title search, very important. That's because we have a great pass, so we have to make sure that the properties were in any shape, way, or form that none of the past owners of those properties were ever involved in illegal businesses. That's very important for us. That's done by a lawyer, and actually a couple of companies that do that. But your lawyer should be able to tell you and should be able to do that now. And the other thing is that obviously you should have a lawyer. Plain and simple. It's super important so they can go over all the details with you. This is video number 1. We'll see how many more we do about this little series. Goodbye for now. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin, here to give you the best service. Cheers. Bye-bye.